video of the builder. That's the park. First the drive. Can't see the roof, but all the windows need to be redone. Can't access that. That needs to be moved. Basically, all the windows need to be redone, and I think the wood needs to be reinstalled. It's probably back to brick, although there's a lot of nice features in here. It's a shame to see these windows go. No radiators in here, and a lot damp and mould, but it's been empty for a while, so again, that needs replacing. I'm guessing this just needs completely gutting. Kitchen, and can't access the back, unfortunately, but the plan would be to knock that through to do a kitchen diner, reception room, and upstairs. That's the new bathroom, new windows in the bathroom. That should be straightforward. Okay, so master bedroom, decent size. That's the loft, and there is a tank in the loft, but I'm guessing this just needs to be boarded up and insulated. We need to see what the roof is like. Well, we have to assume that roof needs replacing. All the windows, that's a gun. It's good neighbours either side. Seems okay. And the second bedroom again. Second bedroom is really good size. Windows, nice windows, but needs replacing.